chips all day makes my energy fly away. Belly aches and sluggish naps, feeling trapped in junk food's wrap. Soda pop and sugary treats, hollow smiles but no defeats. Greasy fingers, sticky hands, junk food wages cruel demands. Healthy foods give us might, fill our days with shining light. Fresh and bright like morning dew, junk food leaves us feeling blue. Veggies make us strong, help us dance and sing our song. Full of vitamins and love, raise us high to skies above. Empty wrappers everywhere, juice boxes without a care. We can do much better now, make a change and take a vow. Healthy foods give us light, fill our days with shining light. Fresh and bright like morning dew, junk food leaves us feeling blue.